Our work shows that all DRAM devices on Earth are broken.
Wow, this sounds like a serious issue.
Indeed, it is. In 2012, researchers discovered Rowhammer, a vulnerability in modern DRAM devices that can corrupt data integrity.
2012? Hasn't it long been fixed since then?
Well, a mitigation referred to as TRR has been added to devices. Research showed that it can stop Rowhammer on about 70% of devices.
But how is it possible that you bypassed all deployed mitigations?
TRR is trying to estimate frequent items, but DRAM is getting so vulnerable that the less frequent items can also trigger bit flips.
Isn't there any systematic way to explore the gaps in these estimations?
Yes, now there is, Blacksmith. A scalable testing tool that explores this very effectively by fuzzing frequency, phase, and amplitude for many aggressors at the same time. It is so effective that it broke everything.
Exciting. How can I learn more about your work?
Come and join our talk or take a look at our paper for more details.